Scala's here watching our roads and rails, and Storm Team 4's LaRosa's here with a look at today's forecast. Windows open.
Yeah, here we go. Remember yesterday? It's going to be a lot like that today. We have some fog and low clouds out there too, and this is a great visual of it looking into Midtown. You see Lady Liberty, so far visibility right in the city is doing fine. 63 degrees at Central Park. We're down to 57 in White Plains, 59 in Islip, down to 64 in Newark, 53 in Sussex, where we have visibility less than a quarter mile right now in parts of the Hudson Valley and into Connecticut as well. So give yourself a little extra time if your travels take you that way or out of that area. It is going to be very similar to yesterday, where we'll see the low clouds hang on a little bit, but some sun breakout by the lunch hour. Temperatures climbing back up into the low 70s this afternoon with the help of some of that sun, and should be a pleasant evening ahead with temperatures staying in the 60s. All right, Lauren, how are things going?
At Point Pleasant Beach there, Maria.
Yeah, it's still the rough surf that you can see this time of day. Whenever it's dark and you can see the whites of the frothiness of the waves here, you know it's rough. But it could be another day here for the Jersey Shore and parts of Long Island, where that coastal flooding could, during times of high tide, bring some high water in there. We still have that east wind. That's going to keep us gray early on. The sun breaks out, though. Temperatures now in the 50s and 60s, closer to 70 by this afternoon, and should be a nice, pleasant evening. We do have big changes. Of course, we talk about the high temperatures and how high they're getting by Friday. Low temperatures are mild, too, except there is that return to October next week in terms of low temperatures as well. We'll look at the timing of the rain that goes along with it in the 10-day.
Thanks, Maria. Also
ahead. It certainly feels and looks like January for the western half of the country. That big jet stream dip, a really big wintry storm here, dumping snow in the Rockies. It's also going to develop some severe weather, tornado threat today in the plains. We're on the warm side of all of this, and this is basically our weather map in a nutshell for the next couple of days. While we still have that east flow, we're still kind of locked in with that low cloudiness. This is a good view of it. Looking into Nassau County to the east here, you've got Lake Success, but again, overcast skies. 63 degrees at Central Park. That dew point's way up, so we have that high relative humidity. That's the first half of the day. I think by the afternoon, we'll get some of that sun in there, very similar to yesterday. But it is that northeast flow that'll keep the threat for some minor tidal coastal flooding, especially Nassau County, where you have that advisory out for this afternoon. But even the Jersey Shore could be another round of some higher water today. And then by tonight, 62 degrees. There may be some drizzle, some low clouds and fog developing again, but we make a little bit more of a turn tomorrow, back to a little warmer, back to more sunshine than we've had the last couple days, and up to 72 degrees. That southwest wind helping us along there. We're still in the grips of that east flow. That's our story for today, but high pressure taking over the rest of the week. That's really going to accelerate the warmth, so we'll be up into the 80s in a lot of places across the area by Friday. That summery feel, maybe even approaching a few record highs, but it is cut short by Saturday. Timing out the showers right now, so a lot of weekend plans. Maybe this was the day that you were going to go leaf peeping. We do have some showers really in our area all the way up into New England, but late in the day, early on into Sunday. What it does, of course, bring